about 99, I will tell you, like I make some experiments, you know, like in this book, here's in the end also have in each lesson, in the end, have these 5 words, and you need practice. You look these words and try to write something. So in the total, here's 18 classes. Each class has the Arbufen, and they give you 5 characters. For each of these 18 class, about these 5 characters, I ask in ChatGPT, write me 写一段80字左右的短文. And he started to write me, I call him he, and ChatGPT start to write really a bit complicated. Then I start to ask him, please using vocabulary from the level of HSK4. He still give me a lot of complicated words and he start to make sentences so long. Then I ask him, write like you are middle school student easily and don't write it more than 100 characters. And after that, he start to write me exactly what I want. When I start to read it, I spent maybe only 1 day on this. And then when I start to read all of these 18 short tuan, I figure out the style, how is more easily write and remember because it's short sentence. So ChatGPT teach me actually how to write. And during this time, because it's 5 characters in each lesson and it's 18 lesson, then 18 multiply 5, it's 90 characters. So during this time, I also add to my vocabulary 90 characters. And then I really start to be familiar with that. You can do this by yourself. Asking ChatGPT help you to write this part, 99, this one. And you will see which kind of answer he give you. And you will see this Duanwen. You will feel it's a bit complicated. Then you start to ask, make it much more easy, make sentence more shortly, right? It's like a kid, 11 years old kid. And then you will see it's 5 words explained in so easy way, and you will remember the style of how to write. For example, in 99, in this part, with 5 characters. In exam, I will find some word like issue, like art. I already know how ChatGPT write it. 艺术在我们的生活中是非常重要的. And then looking for another word, what is in 99, in added, and also write one more small sentence. Because this one, put this word. And then I start to use style. And then I start to bring my homework to my teacher and show her how I start to do this 99 task. I just learned how he answered, because if I always use him, I will not improve my writing part. I just kind of copy his style. And you can see that, for example, my homework, this one is writing. It's writing. It's the highest score. For example, here I took 22, here 25, and you found also some. So here's the biggest score. Also here, one more, another homework. Also the biggest score, the last one, writing. Just follow these tips and you will pass HSK5 for sure. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, write in comments and I will reply to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.